Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports. Today we're installing a full Kline Inconel exhaust system along with an M Engineering tune on this 718 Spyder. Let's get into it. So in front of me we have this beautiful 718 Spyder. Now this is in shark blue with a manual, some deviated yellow stitching, a very cool spec. But we're going to spice it up even more with a full Kline Inconel exhaust system. So this is the headers that have 200 cell HJS cats along with heat shielding, over axle pipes, and their Valvetronic muffler system, all in Inconel 625. Very exotic material, should sound pretty good. And to top it off, we're going to install the M Engineering Stage 1 tune on the car. That'll give us control of the valves and add a little bit of power. And we're going to put this on the dyno, so we'll see what kind of power difference it makes on the dyno, and then we'll get it out and let you hear some sounds of it. So let's go to it. And on the dyno, we saw impressive results with a peak horsepower of 404.8 wheel horsepower. Now that's up almost 51 horsepower over stock and added about 30 foot-pounds of torque. So massive gains underneath the curve throughout pretty much every RPM. Very solid gains for a naturally aspirated car by just uncorking it and adding a tune.